घर में सबने यही बोला कि ये कुछ कर नहीं रहा है, ही इज नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग। पीपल हैव बीन अब्यूजिंग मी, माय फैमिली। बेफिजूल के मुद्दे उठाऊं, आई हैव टू गिव अ स्टोरी।
फरहाना भट्ट के सीजन में गौरव खन्ना जीते हैं।
राइटिंग इज ऑन द वॉल, आई वन द सीजन।
क्या बड़ा पर्दा आपको फैसिनेट करता है? जैसे सलमान खान ने कहा कि आपके साथ में काम करना चाहते हैं।
Whatever I am today is because of television. जो मुझे अच्छा काम मिलेगा मैं करूंगा। I don't keep my options closed.
पेड पीआर जो है कि आप अपने आर्टिस्ट को आप प्रमोट कर रहे हो तो चलो ठीक है, लेकिन आप दूसरे आर्टिस्ट को आप पुल डाउन कर रहे हो।
They will write anything about you, and then coming the paid PR format, people have been abusing me, my family.
पॉपुलर फिगर इन द टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री, इस वजह से उनको जिताया गया।
No show, no channel, no production house will carry a burden if you are not working for the show.
बिग बॉस का आपका जो सफर जिस तरीके से रहा है, कैसे इसको आप समाप्त करना चाहेंगे?
कांदा भजिया वगैरह ये सब कुछ झेल लिया तो ये सब 15-16 क्या है यार। Hi, this is Gaurav Khanna and you're watching me on Memorable Conversations with Faridun Shariat. He's fabulous. Keep watching.
सबसे पहले तो आपसे ये कहना है कि आपकी जो वाइफ है, मुझे लगता है कि वो आपसे ज्यादा एक्साइटेड है। मतलब क्या गजब का डांस कर रही है वो आपको सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए।
जी वो बहुत अच्छी डांसर है। शी इज अ ट्रेन डांसर। मतलब सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए नहीं, बट शी डांसेस लाइक दैट। शी एंजॉयज हर डांस एंड आई रियली लाइक दैट अबाउट हर।
द वे शी इज एंजॉयिंग हरसेल्फ, आई थिंक वो बहुत ही कमाल का आई थिंक विजुअल्स थे जो सोशल मीडिया पे मैंने पर्सनली देखे ना। आई थॉट लाइक दिस इज अमेजिंग एक्चुअली।
शी इज एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट एंड शी एंजॉयज व्हाटएवर शी डज इन हर ओन वे।
बिग बॉस का आपका जो सफर जिस तरीके से रहा है, कैसे
जी
कैसे इसको आप समाप्त करना चाहेंगे एंड हाउ सिग्निफिकेंट इज दिस मोमेंट इन योर लाइफ एंड करियर?
Generally, Faridun, what has happened in the past is हमेशा we had a narrative that people who wanted a second inning in the industry, they preferably, wanted to be a part of a show like Big Boss, which gives you immense popularity and instant popularity. So, contrary to that belief, I came to Big Boss when I was doing, by God's grace, pretty well in my own career. I just won a reality show prior to that, and I did one of the top male characters on television for so many years. So for me, Big Boss was a learning curve for my own self, to discover my own self and to see कि मैं एक reality show scenario में कैसा कर सकता हूँ. It was like discovering my own self after 20 years in television. Doing daily soaps. मैंने पहले भी इंटरव्यूज में बहुत बोला है ये कि मैं वहाँ किसी और से compete करने गया ही नहीं था. I went there to compete with myself, to get a better perspective about my personality. I've been a part of television for so many years. I know कि Big Boss में people will target you, they will, shame you, they will defame you, they will try to pull you down. But I become a better person. That was my whole aim to enter Big Boss. And to answer your question, this has been the sum of my choices. My life has been some of my choices. So I feel Big Boss is a very, very, very intelligent game if you play it intelligently. It's a mind game. They say it's personality driven, but personality is controlled by your own mind. So मैं पहले दिन से मेरे जहन में था कि इट्स अ माइंड गेम एंड आई हैव टू कंट्रोल माय माइंड। और मैं अंदर वो 15-16 लोगों को खुश करने नहीं गया था। आई वेंट इन टू कंट्रोल माय ओन माइंड।
मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है एक इस ऐसे गेम में?
मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ इज द मेन प्री रिक्विजिट इन अ गेम लाइक बिग बॉस। जैसे सलमान सर ने भी कहा, इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट टास्क्स, इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट fighting, it's not only about putting your point across, it's also about controlling your own mind, because हर सिनेरियो में, हर सिचुएशन में you will be put in a corner. That's the whole idea of the game, कि वो आपको प्रेशराइज करता है, वो आपको ऐसे सिचुएशंस में पुट करता है कि you have to rise above it. Some people succumb to it, some people don't succumb to it. So I feel controlling of the mind and having a strong mind is the biggest asset in a show like Big Boss.
परसेप्शन ये है कि एक बिग बॉस जैसे गेम में
जी
आपको लाउड माउथ आपको होना पड़ेगा,
जी
आपको गाली गलौज आपको आना जरूरी है, आपको कंट्रोवर्शियल होना जरूरी है,
जी
आपको रोमांस करना जो है जरूरी है ताकि आपको फुटेज आपको मिल सके,
स्टोरी बने।
स्टोरी बने। आप इन सब चीजों में आपने दिलचस्पी बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखाई, विच इज वेरी अनलाइक एनी अदर सीजन व्हाटसोएवर। ये भरोसा कहाँ से आता है अपने ऊपर कि दैट टू बी योरसेल्फ and not try to be someone else?
लोग यहाँ आते हैं for instant popularity. They come in a show like Big Boss to get instant fame. And मैं वो सब करने Big Boss में आया नहीं था, because by God's grace, I was doing pretty well in my own career. I was like at the top of my career, if I may put it that way. वो मेरा वो नहीं था कि मैं हर कैमरे के सामने जाके देखूं कि मैं कुछ ऐसा करूं कि कैमरे मेरे पे फोकस करें, या आई बिकम अ लाउड माउथ पर्सनैलिटी, आई स्टार्ट अब्यूजिंग, आई स्टार्ट फाइटिंग फॉर नो राइम एंड रीजन, बेफिजूल के मुद्दे उठाऊं। मुझे ये सब नहीं करना था। मैं आया था बिग बॉस में टू अंडरस्टैंड माई ओन सेल्फ, टू डिस्कवर माई ओन पर्सनैलिटी एज अ पर्सन, हाउ आई एम, एज हाउ गौरव इन रियल लाइफ इज। अब मैं अंदर जाके भी कोई और बनने की कोशिश करूं कैमरे के सामने कि मैं 24/7 रिकॉर्ड हो रहा हूँ, दिख रहा हूँ, एंड आई हैव टू गिव अ स्टोरी. नहीं, मैं घर पे भी सुबह उठ के आई वर्क आउट, आई हैव माई ग्रीन टी, आई थिंक कि मैं कैसा करूंगा, दिन में क्या करूंगा, आई प्लान माई डे एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग विच आई डिड इनसाइड. एंड आई फील दैट्स वेयर आई कनेक्टेड विद द व्यूअर. वो अंदर के 15-16 लोग तो आज भी निकलने के बाद सोच रहे हैं मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. राइटिंग इज ऑन द वॉल. आई वन द सीजन एंड इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वॉच सीजन्स, एंड द फिनाले वाज द नंबर 1 शो. It beat my earlier show. So I'm, you know, it's like from Anupama to Big Boss.
तो आपने कहा कि दैट के बाकी जो कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं उनका कहना ये है कि दैट उतना किया नहीं, और फिर जैसे ये सब चीजें भी होती हैं कि जीके आपका बड़ा पॉपुलर आपका नाम है कि दैट
जी
सिंस उनके इन्फ्लुएंसेस बहुत ज्यादा हैं, इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर फिगर इन द टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री, इस वजह से उनको
जी.
जिताया गया.
अच्छा.
कैसे कैसे आप अब देखते हैं कि दैट गुड गाइज कैन आल्सो हैव देयर very very solid fan following which you already have.
Yes, I think Faridun, it's a very valid question which you've asked because आजकल के ज़माने में ना something which is different is not very comfortable to gulp down the throat. So I can definitely say I played the game in a very different manner, and that's not going down well with a lot of people who expected that अरे ऐसे भी गेम खेला जा सकता है. Mostly people come with a preconceived notion कि हमें ये pointers करने हैं, and these are the things which will make us people will notice us through these things. So मुझे वो सब करना नहीं था. I just broke the mold. I just wanted to be myself, and faces आए हैं in the past and they have not won. So saying that just because I'm a television face and I won is like, I mean, it does not change an iota of anything of what I've achieved. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it's an escape route for people who finding reasons कि why they didn't win. So it's fine. I've never been that person. I always believe कि everybody played well. Everybody was playing the game in their own best possible manner. I feel I was the most real one inside, and this show is about, it's a reality show. तो अगर मैं वही करूं जो पहले के लोगों ने किया है, जो मैं रियल में नहीं हूं, so I don't think मैं जायज होता शो में पार्ट लेने के लिए. So I'm very happy that कि मैं चेंज नहीं हुआ. जो मैं पहले दिन था वही मैं लास्ट डे भी था, और आज भी घर पे भी मैं वैसा ही हूँ.
मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं पहली बार आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन आई रियली लाइक द सिंपलिसिटी दैट यू हैव. दैट्स
जी
रियली वंडरफुल. आपने बात करी मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ की, एट द सेम
जी.
टाइम जो एक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है.
हम्म.
मुझे लगता है कि जिस किस्म का ये स्पेकुलेशन और जिस किस्म का इंटरेस्ट इस गेम में है, आप समझ
जी
लीजिए कि मैं यहाँ पर कनाडा में हूँ, मेरे एक दोस्त है सैन फ्रांसिस्को में, मेरी उनसे बात होती रहती है. वो जिस तरीके का इन्फॉर्म्ड डिस्कशन मेरा उनके साथ में, मतलब ही हैज वॉच्ड एवरीथिंग. मतलब टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैंने सब चीजें नहीं देखी होंगी शायद,
जी
लेकिन
जी.
ही हैज सीन एवरीथिंग. ही इज लाइक इनटू आईटी एंड ही इज इन सैन फ्रांसिस्को.
Yes.
I went to Toronto. There's so many people over there. Like people all across the world, they are literally, and not merely Indians, South
Yes.
Asians in general,
Yes.
they are consumed with this show. ऐसे किस्म के जब आपके ऊपर फोकस हो, उसमें अपना खुद का एक कॉन्फिडेंस मेंटेन कर पाना, अपने ऊपर भरोसा रख पाना, मुझे लगता है कि मुश्किल होता होगा एट टाइम, बिकॉज इट्स अ सुनामी ऑफ ओपिनियंस व्हिच आर देयर फ्रॉम ऑल अक्रॉस. आप ये हैं, आप वो हैं, आप ये हैं, आप वो हैं.
Absolutely, Faridun. But the problem is कि this is what people don't understand. All the contestants which are lucky enough to be invited by Big Boss to be a part of a season, because I always believe this is a show which is by invitation, not by application. They invite the people and they select. So पहली तो जंग वही है कि आप select हुए. So I think everybody is a winner in their own form, जो भी contestants आए. But where I think I had a different thought was कि everybody was trying to impress everybody inside the house. Like they were trying to be, ki I am the strongest one, I am the loudest one, I am the most correct, the most righteous one. Whereas I never did all this. I was there to impress the viewer, matlab all the viewers of Big Boss who were watching me through the show. But जब तक मैं शो के अंदर हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता बाहर क्या नैरेटिव है, क्या लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं पसंद कर रहे. So I just walked the path which I feel is right, which I feel कि Gaurav in his own house would do the same thing. So I was not there to impress these 14, 15, 16 odd people inside the house. I was trying to connect with the viewer who's watching me from outside. And I think that's the only difference which the other people and I might be having in my gameplay, which they didn't understand. And to my benefit, I just kept doing what I wanted to do, and the writing is on the wall.
देखिए, बहुत सालों से आई थिंक मैं पर्सनली भी बिग बॉस को मैंने फॉलो किया है, और एक चीज मुझे समझ में आई है कि दैट ये इतना बड़ा शो हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द इंटरेस्ट लेवल दैट इज देयर,
Correct.
कि चैनल जो है कभी भी किसी भी एक ऐसे कंटेस्टेंट्स को सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा जस्ट बिकॉज ही इज हैविंग अ पेडिग्री बिहाइंड दैट, अनलेस एंड अंटिल इट इज वर्किंग फॉर द शो. अगर वो
Correct.
शो के लिए यूजफुल नहीं है इन टर्म्स ऑफ टीआरपीज एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट,
Correct.
A channel will
correct.
never do that. Not merely this particular channel, but any channel.
Any channel.
So शायद ये argument फिर maybe शायद नहीं work करता है. This is what I feel.
You have answered my own, like, you have answered a lot of questions with your statement ki people say, you're famous, so you won. So number one, I have really worked my, 20 years of hard work is no mean feat. Number one, if you wanted to do it, you can do it as well. Nobody's stopping you from working hard. Number one, if I have to counter that statement. Second, I have not been a Colors face for last 15 years. My last show on Colors was Ye Pyar Na Hoga Kam with Yami Gautam, which was, I think, in 2010. It's 2025. So if people think that I'm a Colors face after 15 years of doing one show, I must be really great then. I mean, which I'm not saying that I am, but believing what people are, hinting at, I must be really great in my job. That's why people want me after 15 years also. Now comes the real part, I feel to kill the statement once and for all, it's the most expensive reality show on Indian television. Say, for example, I'm just taking a vague number, say 500 crores. And say we are 20 people, just for math's sake. 25 crores is spent on each individual inside. Do you think they will waste that 25 CR, approximate number, on an individual who they don't want? Or will they carry that burden till the end? Does it make business sense? I'm a MBA marketing graduate before being an actor, so I understand numbers, I understand business. There are no free lunches. I'm not going to win a show just because of my pedigree or my body of work. I am going to be winning a show if I do well for the show. And I feel इससे ज़्यादा I don't really have to say anything.
Instagram और ये सब चीजें तो खैर अभी ज्यादा हो गई. पहले Twitter ही हुआ करता था.
जी.
And which is now X, for example. So there was a lot of interest that Big Boss used to generate. लेकिन over a period of over the years मैंने एक चीज नोटिस करी है कि ये जो इसके अंदर जो एक पेड PR का जो एक एलिमेंट आ गया है. तो पेड PR जो है कि आप अपने आर्टिस्ट को आप प्रमोट कर रहे हो तो चलो ठीक है, लेकिन आप दूसरे आर्टिस्ट को आप पुल डाउन कर रहे हो
जी,
एंड बहुत ही गंदे तरीके से. बिकॉज मैं तो देखता रहता हूँ, आई रीड अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ एंड लाइक इट्स a lot of it is wonderful. जो फैंस, जो जेन्युइन फैंस होते हैं, जो उनका एक पैशन होता है, जो उनका एक जज्बा होता है, बड़ा खूबसूरत लगता है मुझे. लेकिन एट टाइम्स जो वो एक हेट्रेड का एलिमेंट होता है, यू क्लियरली फाइंड आउट कि ये दिस इज लाइक पेड. फॉर एग्जांपल, पुलिंग डाउन अदर पीपल एंड पेइंग फॉर इट. आई थिंक उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है? Do you think that maybe it's hitting below the belt maybe?
I think everything has pros and cons, yeah, Faridun. I feel social media is a very important tool nowadays in the field of entertainment, and it gives you immense popularity instantly. But on the hindsight, it also gives you the negative side of it, is that people will troll you. Everybody is a keyboard warrior nowadays. They will write anything about you, and then coming the paid PR format. I mean, I really don't have a problem being trolled, because I feel even the trollers are thinking about me for whatever little time in their whole day. So it's my job well done. If I'm not important to them, they will not even think about me, and not least said, they will go out and write things about me or create memes about me. So I feel it's a part and parcel of an actor, which I understood pretty early in my career. This is not my first show. This is not my first show where fandoms who don't like me write bad about me. But yes, you are right that with the years passing by, it's going even further low, and it's gone really worse this year. Like, people have been abusing me, my family, and they're all bots here. Sometimes just for the sake of fun, I go and I check, let me see who this person is. They are like 0 followers, 0 comments. They are just all fake bots, and they have been bought up by people. I don't know why, because it's not going to change my pedigree of work. It's not going to change my focus at my work. It does not hamper me. But yes, you are right. Some people do succumb to it, and they really, falter in their path. But is it necessary? No, it's not. Is it prevalent? It's prevalent right now. Yes, it is. It's going to increase every time, because people, if they don't like anything, and probably if their person doesn't win, or things don't happen in their favor, people come out and they just blabber, because there's no check on it.
The show has ended. It's been a few days now.
Yes.
And what I'm personally noticing is that जो certain contestants हैं, तो जो उनके feelings थे right after coming out of the house, और जो अब हैं कुछ time निकलने के बाद में, उसके अंदर एक softening up मैं देख रहा हूँ. Like,
yes.
For example, फरहाना से मेरी बात हुई, तो फरहाना जब बाहर निकली तो उनका ये था कि फरहाना भट्ट के सीजन में गौरव खन्ना जीते हैं, But when I spoke to her in an interview in a podcast, so she said that उन्होंने भी गौरव ने भी बहुत सी चीजें ऐसी करी जिसकी वजह से वो deserving थे and all that. So I could see that sense of respect as well,
Yes.
which is nice. I think ultimately आप साथ में रहे हो जो भी है, एक वो element of respect तो अच्छी बात है. I think it reflects nicely on you. So I could see that she's acknowledging the fact that if he has won it, he's deserving as well. You like that in terms of, are you noticing that softening up of the attitudes of the various contestants?
I think sensibility always prevails, Faridun, is what I feel eventually. You know, देर से आए दुरुस्त आए, यही बोलूंगा. Because again, I mean, मैं इतनी तवज्जो कभी देता नहीं हूँ. I mean, when I was in the house, I didn't pay heed and attention to a lot of things which people were saying because I knew people take time to understand. Most of the people in the world, not everybody can understand what is happening immediately. So, agar if you're saying what you're saying is right, I was not moved by what XYZ has said immediately after coming out then. So I'm also not very moved what XYZ is saying right now also because for me the show is over. Once I won the trophy, once Salman sir said I want to work with Gaurav, for me my job was done. Once my fans voted for me and I lifted the trophy, for me that captive reality Big Boss is over. So I am a person who always looks in the future. I always look forward. I never look in the past, and that's why I've been the way I've been. And if you're saying this softening is happening, it's very good. Sensibility should prevail.
How ambitious is Gaurav Khanna? Like आपका ambition क्या है? आप already achiever हैं, बहुत superior achiever हैं.
जी.
क्या बड़ा पर्दा आपको fascinate करता है, जैसे सलमान खान ने कहा कि आपके साथ में काम करना चाहते हैं? Do you have any aspirations for certain directors that you want to work with, web shows, whatsoever?
Yes,
There's lots of avenues.
absolutely. I think I'm just a normal human being like you and anybody else. You know, I'm just a boy next door. So I have my dreams, I have my aspirations, but in television, last 20 years, Faridun, I never got time to even think anything. Because by God's grace, I was working, I've done some 23, 24 shows in 20 years. People who know about television, television is a tough industry. So I loved doing television. It's my house, it's my home, and I love it. Whatever I am today is because of television. But now, post Big Boss, and now when people have started knowing me apart from my character names, and now they know me as GK, as Gaurav, as who I am now, I want to take the next plunge in an OTT or a good film. But then again, my aspirations are not to just be a part of an industry, just to be a part of that industry. I want to do good stuff. I don't mind being a, bigger fish in a smaller pond scenario also. I just want to do good work and I can, knock any doors. I can beg for good work. I have no shame about it. I feel मुझे अच्छा काम करना है और वो चाहे OTT पे हो, टेलीविजन पे हो, रियलिटी स्पेस में हो या फिर मूवीज में हो. जो मुझे अच्छा काम मिलेगा मैं करूंगा. I don't keep my options closed. I'm just like water. I will flow wherever destiny takes me. That's how I am.
How crucial has been MasterChef for you?
Oh, that was like an eye opener. If I would not have done MasterChef, I would have never taken part in Big Boss because that was my first reality show. And इतने साल daily soap करने के बाद, every year I used to get offers for reality, and I was doing reality because I was like कि यार I'm not that person, जो reality में like you said कि you have to be of a particular personality. आपको बहुत ज्यादा मुद्दों उठाना और गाली गलौज and fighting and all that. I'm not that guy. I like my actions do the talking. I like my work to do the talking. And इसलिए I took so many years to come to reality. And when I went to MasterChef, वहाँ भी initial episodes हैं, I was thinking कि यार, did make a right choice coming here? Because things didn't start well there for me as well. But then how I am in real life is that I never let go of a thing if I'm a part of that. I will give my 100%. And there, slowly and steadily, every episode, every dish, every recipe, I started taking smaller steps towards where I wanted to achieve the pinnacle of that show. And eventually, I was very happy that I came out as a winner because that was a turning point, and that gave me confidence कि यार अगर मैं खाना बना सकता हूँ ना जो मैंने 20 साल से नहीं किया है और उसमें मैं खाना बना के दुनिया के इतने बड़े शेफ्स को खुश कर सकता हूँ लाइक शेफ विकास खन्ना, Chef Ranveer Brar, and the other guest chefs, and also Farah ma'am, who's a wonderful cook herself. That gave me confidence कि अगर if I put my mind to anything, Faridun, I can do it. And with that confidence, I got into Big Boss. And that's why I was like कि यार जब सब्जी मूली वगैरह और कांदा भजिया वगैरह ये सबको झेल लिया तो ये सब 15-16 क्या है यार.